Bunch of happy chickens. Every evening when I come in here, which I don't every evening, but every evening that I do come in here and move some of this bedding around, they go plumb totally crazy. So I can dig a hole, no matter where it is. Right there, I'll just stick my pitchfork in, flip it up, change hands. It's kind of hard to do this holding your phone in one hand and a pitchfork in the other. And them girls go insane. Now they'll just dig right there for a minute. Nothing fancy. Just loving life, loving chickens. Beautiful birds.